Are you tired of feeling sidelined by kidney issues and looking for a natural way that can help you heal faster? What if we told you that the secret to rejuvenating your kidneys could be as close as your kitchen pantry? Yes, you heard that right. A simple change in your diet can spark a powerful transformation in your kidney health. So, what is proteinuria really? Well, along with fats and sugars, proteins form the major building blocks of our bodies. The right amount of protein is vital for growth and repair. Our kidneys normally have a filter that stops all but a small amount of protein from leaving the blood and entering the urine. It's normal to have a tiny amount of protein in your urine, but when the levels are higher than usual, it could be a sign of kidney problems or other illnesses. This condition is known as proteinuria, and today we'll unveil the top 15 superfoods that can help you stop this sneaky condition quickly and heal your kidneys fast. So stick around till the end to find out how these superfoods can help you on your journey to a healthier kidney and worry-free life. Number 15. Cranberry juice. Crisp like an apple and sour, almost like lemon, cranberries are the perfect combination of taste and nutrition. These tiny red berries are most well known for their ability to prevent and treat bladder infections. The antioxidants in cranberries prevent bacteria from sticking to the bladder wall, which in turn helps to reduce the risk of UTIs. But that's not all. Cranberries are low in potassium and high in vitamin C, which makes them a perfect snack for kidney patients. Some studies have shown that cranberry juice may lower levels of cystatin C, a marker for kidney function. Drinking it in moderation can provide a refreshing boost to your kidney health without overwhelming your diet. Number 14. Pineapple. Aside from its sweet and tropical taste, pineapple also offers numerous benefits for kidney health. It's lower in phosphorus, potassium, and sodium compared to other fruits like bananas or kiwis, which makes it an ideal kidney-healthy fruit. Pineapple is also a good source of fiber and vitamin A, which helps maintain overall kidney function. The digestive enzyme called bromelain, present in pineapple, has anti-inflammatory and cleansing properties that can help reduce kidney inflammation and improve urinary tract health. According to reports, pineapple could reduce both proteinuria and albuminuria in people with kidney disease. And if you like something spicy, stay tuned for our number 10 superfood, which also has the goodness of pineapple. Number 13. Cabbage. This cruciferous vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients. It is packed full of phytonutrients, which work to break apart free radicals before they can cause damage to your body's cells. Plus, it is also rich in vitamin K, vitamin C, and fiber, as well as vitamin B6 and folic acid, which can help improve immune health, reduce inflammation, and even prevent type 2 diabetes. Cabbage is also low in both potassium and sodium, making it an excellent choice for kidney health. The best thing? It is super versatile. You can use it in salads, soups, or simply as a side dish. The options are endless. Number 12. Grapes. These tiny round fruits are much more than just a tasty snack. Grapes, especially red and purple ones, contain powerful antioxidants called flavonoids, which can help protect the kidneys from oxidative damage. They also have high levels of resveratrol, a compound that has anti-inflammatory properties and can reduce uric acid levels in the body, making your kidneys work more efficiently. Plus, grapes have a high water content, which, again, will help you stay hydrated and flush toxins from the kidneys. Number 11. Turmeric. This ancient spice is a healing powerhouse that has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which possesses strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help protect against chronic diseases, including kidney disease. Its ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress can help prevent kidney damage and promote overall kidney health. It is also beneficial for individuals with diabetes, as it can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent further complications related to kidney function, including proteinuria. Number 10. Red bell peppers. While all types of bell peppers are low in potassium and high in flavor, red bell peppers take the spotlight when it comes to nutrient density. They are a great source of vitamin C and A, as well as vitamin B6 and fiber. These nutrients are vital for both your overall health and the health of your kidneys. Red bell peppers are also loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that offers protection against certain types of cancer and helps reduce inflammation in the body. Whether you add them to your salads or stir-fries or eat them raw as a snack, red bell peppers are a delicious and nutritious remedy for your kidneys. So, before we move on to our next food, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you never miss any of our future videos. Okay, now let's get back to our list. Number 9. Garlic. Just like onions, garlic also offers anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit your kidneys. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that helps lower cholesterol and blood pressure, both of which are crucial for maintaining healthy kidney function. Plus, it also helps neutralize oxidative damage caused by kidney disease due to its high antioxidant content. Apart from its kidney-protecting properties, garlic also has several other health benefits. It can help protect against colds and other illnesses, boost your immune system, promote bone health, and even detoxify heavy metals in the body. If you're not a fan of the strong taste of garlic, don't worry, because our number 5 superfood will give you all the benefits without the odor. Number 8. Apples. Beyond being delicious and just wonderful, apples are also a great food to boost your kidney health. The high fiber content in apples is a key factor for their beneficial role in supporting the kidneys, as fiber helps lower cholesterol levels, important for patients with kidney disease. Apples also contain pectin, which supports digestive health and aids in detoxifying the body, thus taking some load off of the kidneys. Plus, they are rich in antioxidants like quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress associated with kidney damage. Number 7. Quinoa. Thanks to its exceptional nutritional profile, quinoa is a fantastic choice for those managing kidney health. Unlike many grains, quinoa is a complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. This makes it an ideal solution for those looking to manage proteinuria, as it provides high-quality protein without excessive amounts of waste that the kidneys need to filter out. Quinoa is also rich in antioxidants and important minerals, which help lower the risk of high blood pressure and diabetes, 2 conditions that can exacerbate kidney issues. It also helps promote digestive health due to its high fiber content, which is crucial for overall bodily detoxification processes. Number 6. Raspberries. Low in calories and fat but high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, raspberries are a superfood for your kidneys. These delicious berries contain ellagic acid, which helps to keep the kidneys healthy by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Raspberries also have anti-inflammatory properties that can protect against kidney damage caused by high blood pressure and other chronic conditions. Plus, their high fiber content can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them an excellent option for those with diabetes or at risk of developing it. Number 5. Salmon. Remember when we said our number 5 superfood would give you all the benefits of garlic without the odor? Well, salmon is that superfood. It contains high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help protect against kidney disease. These healthy fats also play a role in reducing cholesterol and preventing blood clots, both of which are crucial for maintaining good kidney health. Additionally, wild-caught salmon is an ideal source of lean protein, making it a great choice for people with kidney disease looking to manage their protein intake. Number 4. Blueberries. These tiny but mighty berries are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that can benefit your entire body, including your kidneys. Blueberries contain high levels of anthocyanins, which give the berries their vibrant color and have anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help reduce inflammation in the body, reducing the risk of kidney damage. Plus, blueberries are low in potassium and phosphorus and are a good source of vitamin C and K, which are essential for maintaining overall kidney health. Number 3. Cherries. Cherries, particularly sour cherries, are packed with antioxidants and possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties that are incredibly beneficial for kidney health. Studies have shown that cherries can help reduce uric acid levels in the body, which is great news for those concerned about kidney stones or gout. These juicy red fruits are also low in potassium and high in fiber, so feel free to indulge in them guilt-free. Number 2. Pomegranate, often called wine apples. These vibrant fruits are a powerhouse of nutrients that can give your kidneys a boost. Pomegranate is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help protect the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. It can improve blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and is excellent for heart health. Pomegranate is high in potassium and low in phosphorus and sodium, thus making it perfect for kidney health. It has an astringent, bitter cleansing quality, which is good for tissues in the body. Number 1. Watermelon. This summer, fruit tops our list for its hydrating and kidney-supportive properties. Watermelon is over 90% water and is loaded with lycopene, which can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, as well as certain types of cancer. While it is high in potassium, the watermelon's high water content helps flush out toxins from the body and promote healthy kidney function. Its mild diuretic properties also aid in increasing urine production, thus helping to cleanse the kidneys of waste materials. When consumed in moderation, watermelon can be an excellent addition to a kidney-friendly diet. As we wrap up our journey through these powerful superfoods, remember that managing kidney health and proteinuria is not just about what you eat, but also about maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, stress management, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are all essential factors in protecting your kidneys. And as we always say, before making any major changes to your diet, consult with your healthcare provider to find the best plan for you. And if you're looking for more natural ways to support your kidney health, be sure to check out our video on Top 15 Foods to Detox Your Kidneys Fast. Until next time, stay active and eat healthy.